Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing sKreen, a tool that claims to host multiple meetings types on a branded web-based video conference app. The difference of this tool from others like Zoom or Crickle or even GoBrand, Google Meet, and others AppSumo deals related to meetings and webinars is their flexibility. You can completely change all the screen environment to fit with your branding and also adding CEOs features because you're gonna create and have your own screen app with your branding, with everything. So you're gonna completely white label it and change it in a way that will be like your brand or like your desire. That's the main difference of sKreen. And I'm gonna show you how did you work. They have more than 67 reviews on AppSumo and claims to be an alternative to Zoom and Google Meet. You can create and host 5 different types of meetings with built-in monetization for selling memberships. So you can also sell your meeting service. So for instance, a membership for your live class that is one of the type of meetings that sKreen has. So sKreen is a web-based conferencing platform that makes video calling accessible, convenient, and manageable using white label and monetization features. Let's see how the deal works. You're gonna get all the future legendary plan updates, and it's a single code. You only need to buy one and you have everything. So one gives you 50 users, hosts, white label, and unlimited participants per meetings. The deal is pretty solid. When you sell memberships, you can sell using Stripe, PayPal, and Pedal. You have custom domain and subdomain with SSL included. So the idea here is to give you a whole package with Android and iOS, PWA app, themes, colors, and styling options, everything. I'm gonna show you the environment. So here's my own environment, my own screen. For instance, you can't log in using the sKreen website. You have your own subdomain where you're gonna add your custom domain and you only can log in from your own app. Okay, and here you can see the configuration, and I'm gonna show you how you can change everything. So everything about your organization, your application name and information, CEO, then people can find your application online. Assets, you can change logo, every kind of icons, the screenshots on the web, what people are gonna see on the web. You can change everything on the environment of sKreen. About the system, you can add an intro tool or not, add home screen alerts, enable print preview or not, enable maintenance mode. You can change the language. By now, I think they have only English, okay? But if it's here, it will be able to change in the future. You can change your currency to sell your membership, your live class, okay? About the email, you can change, you can use SMTP to white label your email. You can use Mailgun, SendMail, or their own sKreen email. You can change your name, your phone address. As I told you, you can change everything on sKreen, and it's why it's different from other tools, other video meetings tools. Here, your roles, you can create roles and predefine it to your users, the permissions. You can change many things related to authentication, so to completely white label it. Okay, you can add chats or not. Literally here you can have a meeting to sell your live class with all environment and paid. So using sKreen as a live class school, for instance. To use sKreen, you need to create a free pusher credential. It's free and it's easy to use. You only create the accounts, and in 1 minute you add those keys here. Okay, the 4 apps keys that they have, and you are ready to go. And so on, membership, payment gateways, notifications, you can change everything that you need. And here on the left, you have the tabs. You can create instant meetings, so you can schedule the meetings, or even conference rooms that you're gonna customize to your users. The segments here is your email list. Any segment, a new segment is a new email list that you're gonna create. So when you create a contact and you add news, you're gonna attach them to a segment. So in that way, you create your email lists. The tool also allows you to create a to-do list. So just click here and add new task, the date of that task and the time. Okay. And the description, what you're gonna do, new meeting, save to do, and the to do will appear here. Okay. I have meeting 1 as to do today, and tomorrow. If I click here, my new task. Okay. And when I complete it, I can just click here and I complete it. Okay, so it's a whole environment to create meetings, live class, podcast, etc. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna start an instant meeting, okay? And you can see here they have 5 types of meetings. Video conference, where every member of the meeting can see, talk, and listen to other members of the meeting. So that's the kind of the environment that they will create. Live classes, where the teacher of the meeting can broadcast audio and video to students, and students can only see, listen to the teacher, but not each other. Okay. Webinar, where the host of the meeting can broadcast their audio and video to participants, and participants can only see, listen to host videos and audio, but not each other. Okay. Podcast, where the host can broadcast their audio to other participants, and participants can only listen to host audios. An audio conference, where every member of the meeting can talk and listen to other members of the meeting. So if you only audio to talk live, audio conference. If a podcast, only to someone, to our audience to listen to you. Webinar, you know what it is, live class and video conference. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna create a live class. I'm clicking here, otherwise I'm gonna appear. Here I'm adding no video, so I'm on a live class. You can take snapshots, clicking here. So snapshot taken from your screen. Here is showing that I'm the host. Here is the chat, how it works. There's no chat yet. You can configure here everything. It's very set to you. You can change everything on sKreen for $59 is a good deal. Here you change the layout. You can change grid, gallery, full page layout. Another kind of features that you have here, share screen, share files. I'm gonna show you how share files work. I'm gonna choose an image, and here you share it, the image to people. And then they can just click here and download your image. Here you can mute your audio, so I have no video and no audio right now. Clicking here, you can change your audio input, your video input, resolution, bandwidth. You can set up everything on auto, or you can customize everything. As I said, the difference of the tool is that you can customize everything. Time, the way that you create your meeting, etc. Here, share files, as I said. Here you can share the screen. So let's share one screen. I'm gonna share here. So here's I'm sharing my screen. I'm sharing my Nimbus account. So you can see that I use my Nimbus account. Okay, I like it so much. Here you can leave the meeting. You can record your meeting. Click on that button and you can record your meeting. And you have also on whiteboard. If your students want to raise their hand, they only click here and they raise their hands. Okay, on the whiteboard, you can write, you can point things on the screen. Okay, you can, for instance, draw everything. Okay, you can do a lot of things using the whiteboard. You can even add image to your whiteboard, and then you can communicate with your students in that way. So as you can see, you have a lot of features, a lot of type of meetings. I think it's a pretty good deal for $59 for lifetime with 50 hosts. It's a pretty good deal. I hope you like that review. If you want to buy sKreen, I add the button on YouTube. The link, please click on the link and help me to keep going with those reviews. Thank you so much. Bye bye.